What's up guys? So today I'm starting Camille's dress. So basically this dress I think is going to be probably one of my favorites. I'm really excited about it. So I'm using the Simplicity DO862 pattern. That looks like this for the skirt. She's not going to have the train on it, but we're going for that whole like hourglass figure on the skirt, like kind of mermaidy but not really. But you know, like tight on the butt and then it like flows out a little bit more because gotta show off them curves. And then I'm using the Simplicity 8328 to use this top for it. And it's just like a regular like long sleeve shirt, but we're going to do like a deep V with it. But basically the skirt is gonna be black. And then the top is gonna be out of this like African print that we ordered online, and it's not working with me here. But it looks like this. It's got really cool patterns on it, and she loves her like African like heritage, and she really wants to show that in her prom dress and be like, I'm here and I love it and I'm all for it, and I'm really excited to make this dress. So I'm gonna get cutting on it and then we'll start it. Okay, I put in the darts and I'm gonna go ahead and sew those on to the back and the front, and then we'll put those together. Okay, so I sewed the darts in and now I'm sewing in, or I sewed in the sides and the top seams to put it all together, and I'm really happy because these matched pretty much perfectly, so that's good. And then this is the back. The back's like a low V, but then I think we're gonna make the front a low V too, but I just don't know how deep yet, so we haven't cut that out yet, but that's what it looks like so far. I'm gonna sew these seams for the front and back of the skirt and then put those together, and then there's gonna be a side zipper, so I'm just gonna do those first. Okay, I have both front and back done, so I'm gonna sew up one side and then leave the other side for the zipper. Okay, so now that that's kind of done with for now, I'm going to go ahead and sew together the bands, what's it called? The waistbands of it. So I can then attach that, so I'm going to attach them both here. And this is like the top and then like the lining of it. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so now that the waistbands are together here, I'm going to put them together from the top. And then that way I can then attach one of them to the skirt and then put in the zipper so that it lines up down here on the edge. So that's what's happening. Okay, so here's Camille's skirt so far. I have put in the waistband for now, and I have the zipper in, so I'm gonna go ahead and sew in the zipper so then I can finish off the waistband and go ahead and just hem it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so I've done a lot of work on Camille's dress since the last time I talked to you guys. So this is the rundown. So we were gonna do pink sleeves, but I didn't have enough of that pink fabric to make the sleeves. So then I was like, hey, we could do black sleeves. So we ended up deciding on black like sheer sleeves, and I have gotten that fabric and added that in. So we have that going. And I put in a zipper in the back, which is not finished yet, but it's a separating zipper, because it, like, since this fabric isn't very stretchy, it's hard to put it over yourself, and I just wanted to make it easier for her. So I put in a zipper and it blends in really nicely, so it's chill. And then as far as the skirt goes, I have everything put together as far as the zipper and all of that, so I'm just waiting for her to come over tomorrow, and then we're gonna fit everything and finish it up, and I'm really excited. I think it's gonna look awesome on her. I sent her pictures and she likes it a lot so far, because she lives in Fort Wayne, so she lives like a few hours away from me, so she's gonna come this weekend, and I'm super excited. So just wanted to give you guys an update on that, and I think we're gonna add like a pink stripe on the sleeve as well. So I think we're gonna add like a pink strip right there all the way down, and of course I need to hem these. I haven't yet. But it's just like a mesh sleeve, like see-through black. I think it's gonna look really good. I really love how this is turning out. And then, as I said, here is the zipper. It's just a separating zipper. I need to finish that edge off. And of course, we're gonna make this into a deep V, but I'm also waiting to see how far low she's gonna want it. But yeah, that's where we're at.